Are you looking for the best water trampoline in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best water trampoline. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Avhrit Water Trampoline Water Bouncer. We simply couldn't leave the Avhrit Water Trampoline off of our list, as it's the best floating trampoline for easy transportation. Weighing just 37 pounds yet capable of supporting up to 700 pounds. This makes it a feasible option for 4 to 6 kids, with a jump mat size of 7.6 feet. With a bright color scheme of primary colors, it invokes childlike play that can also support 2 to 3 adults. Taking just 3 minutes to completely inflate thanks to the included air pump, the nylon web jump surface connects directly to the inflatable portion. To keep your water jumper around for a long time, it's made with commercial-grade, reinforced PVC. The heat-welded seams are designed for long-term use and the interlaced nylon webbing bouncing surface is very safe to jump on. It's made of 1000 denier PVC with a heavy-duty bladder that will keep it bouncy for as long as you have it. Just remember that water does absorb a bit of that. Including an anchor connector kit, you can safely keep your bouncer stationed where you want it. It features 3 tied D-rings to keep anchors connected, along with a 3-step ladder and 2 swimming assist handles to get on the trampoline easily. Moving on at number 4. We have the Wotryit Inflatable Water Trampoline. Their 10ft inflatable water trampoline functions as a bouncy swim platform that is capable of supporting up to 500 pounds. If you're looking for something for younger kids to keep busy with this summer, without spending a ton of money, this is it. However, just because it's affordable doesn't mean it's cheap. With a high-strength molecular composite PVC mesh cloth, it's passed various anti-aging tests and holds up to the international N71 fire retardant standard. It's overall very resistant to abrasion, tears, peeling, cracking, and fading, so it will retain its strength and good looks well. For easy on-off, there's a 4-step ladder which is made out of rope and wood yet won't splinter or irritate the hands or feet. We appreciated the single inflation valve, which made it super simple to inflate. In fact, it was probably the easiest of all the products we had the pleasure of trying. Included, they provide a high-speed inflator and deflator so that when you're ready to go, you can just go instead of waiting around for it to deflate. Safety is our highest priority, and with a spiral self-locking safety high-pressure nozzle, it won't overinflate or pop. While it doesn't have much to do with performance, we also took great value in the fact that everything holds up to EU RoHS environmentally friendly, non-toxic standards. At number 3, we have the Happybuy Inflatable Water Trampoline. The best water bouncer should be able to support everyone partaking, be durable, and reliable. You'll find all that and more in the Happybuy Inflatable Water Trampoline. The 10-foot bouncer comes in a modern, marine-esque blue and white colorway that's festive and easy to spot on the water. Weighing 59 pounds, it's capable of supporting up to 880 pounds, which is quite an impressive ratio. This is probably due to the excellent attention to detail and high-quality materials, such as the SGS-certified 0.9 mm PVC tarpaulin. The PVC makes up the smooth, waterproof surface and is resistant to fire, extreme temperatures, UV rays, and overall keeps strong over the years. Holding up to all kinds of important certifications, you can rest easy knowing this one will be a safe option. While this one is quite a bit lower to the water, 23.6 height, than our previous product, it still comes with a convenient 4-step ladder. You'll also find high-quality bungee cord and cloth which keep the jump surface tight and resilient. However, the material is also smooth enough to lounge around on if you get tired from jumping around. Due to how easy it is to move around and set up, it's great for big families. The handles mean that you can simply grab and pull it around, instead of awkwardly trying to grasp at it. At number 2, we have the Island Hopper Bounce and Splash Padded Water Bouncer. If you're searching for the best water trampoline for bigger groups of people, you need to seriously consider the Island Hopper 17 feet bounce and splash padded water bouncer. If you're willing to pay a bit more for a significantly more amount of space and weight capacity, then this top-notch. The 17-foot water bouncer is absolutely one of the longest-lasting models as well, and will be a fun supplier for many summers to come. Comprised of heavy-duty, reinforced 1000 denier PVC, you simply aren't going to find something tougher than this one. Even bumping into rocks and twigs isn't an issue, as it's designed to hold up against consistent use. With a protective 1/2-inch foam perimeter padding, it's also one of the safest bouncers out there. Just like with our previous model, it comes with interlaced nylon webbing with tube flex. This means that you'll still get a trampoline-like bounce while keeping the users safe from metal springs. Designed to support up to 5 kids or 1,000 pounds, it features 6 anchor tie D-rings for added security. While kids are capable of throwing themselves through the air without issue, us adults do get exhausted quicker. That's why we really appreciated the 6-step access ladder rather than trying to lift ourselves out of the water and onto the jump surface. To ensure nothing gets in your way of your day on the water, the package also includes a carry, storage bag, repair kit, and instruction manual. The only possible downside to this one is that while it is bigger and supports more weight, the bouncer itself is also heavier. And finally at number 1. We have the Rave Sports Bongo Water Bouncer. Everyone needs a good rave in their life after spending so much time inside their homes, and you can get that with the Rave Bongo Water Bouncer. The 13-foot trampoline is perfect for 2 adults, 4 children, or otherwise up to 500 pounds. Weighing just 37 pounds, it isn't all that heavy yet sturdy enough, especially with recommended anchor weights, to support hours of fun. Having originally made their water trampoline over 20 years ago, Rave Sports was a leader in this area and has had more than enough experience to perfect their product. Made of heavy-duty, commercial-grade material, it's designed for regular use with rough-and-tumble kids. It even comes with a UV treatment, keeping the material's structural integrity intact and preventing fading to keep it looking as good as new. The black nylon webbing jump surface is even more durable, and can be easily replaced should you ever need to. Attaching directly to the main tube with an interlaced nylon rope, it places itself in a whole other league. Most water trampolines come with metal springs, which can understandably cause a bit of concern. This is undoubtedly a safer way to go, and allows for even easier setup. The only slight downside is that it allows for a bit less bounce, jump, but it's not going to inhibit fun in any way. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.